We have a stroller pistol squat, which is a single leg squat, really great for balance and working your lower body. So you can use the handle as a little bit of a support. She's going to be working her right leg, so that left leg is up, and she's gonna send her hips behind her and bend that knee using the stroller handle as a support. Only go as low as feels comfortable to you. Obviously, you want your hip to go behind you, driving through the heel. If you need to modify this at all, you can actually put that heel down on the ground, leave it down, and then continue to bend that knee. Good, and you see how she's pushing her hips backwards, keeping her back flat. She's doing a really nice job. Last one here. Beautiful, really nice.